bunch of adventures back, and look what we got. We got a whole tow truck. Well, not all of them, but that truck, and this Accord, I think. All of these are mine. So let's go. We just got our 2 trucks in our car unloaded. Here's our F-150, here's the Dakota, here's the Accord. Now, as y'all can see, there's a bit of water there. We got carried away, but it needed a little bit of coolant, and we kind of washed the engine bay with it. Not really, but yeah. Oil is a little low, so we're gonna add that, and we're about to check the fluids on that and this, and we're about to take all of them on a test drive. This is a Dodge Dakota, right? And I'm about to get it started, but why am I back here?
Well, y'all see this exhaust pipe? Well, it's supposed to be sticking out the side, but it really abuses the word straight pipe.
And y'all want to listen to it? We have manual crank windows. They have seat covers, but I'm hoping these seats are, I think they're in okay condition. It's dirty, but it's a work truck. But look, y'all. Oh boy. Anyone want to go fishing? We got a tire, some water bottles in case y'all get thirsty. A shoe, y'all already know. This dude knows what's up. It has some cosmetic blemishes, like look. And I know that looks bad, but it's just some paint peel. But overall, the truck for a work truck, it seems to be in really decent condition. Some paint issues, but besides that, look at these tires. Honestly, just look at the tread on these tires. Dude, this tire costs $200, man. For someone that, we're gonna take out all the tires. I keep a jump box as it needed a jump to start it. Just clean this out a little bit, and then you got yourself a perfect work truck right here. So yeah. Seatbelt in, light off, but look, it just pops out, so we don't have a seatbelt. AC is feeling cold. Headliner's a little droopy, I guess. It does have 230,000 miles. Y'all heard of power window adjustments? Hell no, we just push them and make it look decent. And then my driving impressions of this Dodge Dakota, well, it's a little loud, and I'm about to show you guys. Temperature is holding steady. It's not overheating. It's shifting right. And y'all gotta listen to this one. We'll be quiet. So yeah, the straight pipe, the exhaust, you just put a straight pipe. Yeah, so I guess that's what it is. It's loud, but AC is ice cold. Interior is in surprisingly decent condition. There's an aftermarket radio with Bluetooth and everything. Cruise control works. And it's not going to be an expensive truck. This is meant to be a work truck, and that's about it. This F-150 body-wise is a different story. This truck is beautiful. Only thing it's missing is a trim piece over here. That's where all the clips are for. But man, I've never seen an F-150 in condition like this. This is one that we just bought, and you can see, the paint's fading, but that's a really nice work truck too. He's getting work done to get his brake lines fixed. But this is the trim piece missing on the other side, but look at this, man. The body is so nice. Look at the bed. The bed liner is in perfect condition. Now, the only cosmetic blemish that this has is this driver's seat. But getting it reupholstered isn't really all that expensive. But overall, for an F-150, man, the other seats are in real good condition. This has 4 full doors. It has a sunroof? What? Come on. We checked all the fluids on this too. One thing y'all need to notice, this truck is in park and this needle isn't. So that is something we can adjust, but it's common with Fords. Check engine light is on. It was on the Dakota too, but it just turned off. But that one's for the catalytic converter. So let's go check out what this light is. 3 codes, and revving it up is a little shaky. So let's see what it is. Cylinder 2 misfire, cylinder 3 misfire, and system 2 lean. No, I don't like misfire codes. That kind of scares me. But I'm gonna hold off on test driving this one at the moment because of the misfires. But AC is pretty cold. I gotta talk to my mechanic and whatever about these. So until then, we'll get these deleted. We're driving the truck, me and my dad. It's misfiring like crazy. And now there's a cop behind us because we're driving too slow. So yesterday, it was getting kind of late. I wasn't able to show you guys the results of the F-150 test drive. F-150 is right now parked back there, and it misfires like crazy. The whole thing shakes. And we got a mechanic to look at it. We've narrowed it down to these two vacuum lines that are pretty brittle. They're gonna need replacing. And while we were checking stuff, we kind of blew a water line, so it's not drivable at the moment, or you can't even turn it on. The Dakota, besides the body stuff, which we really aren't going to do much about, we cleaned it out from the inside. A whole bunch of water got here because someone left this crank window open, the roll-up windows open. So we got all that wet, dry vac out, and we made it smell nice. And so overall, that's what this is. Accord drives really nice. It's pretty clean from the inside. We'll check if it's unlocked. But ice cold AC, it's cheap, reliable transportation. Paint, we can't really do much. Now it's locked, but y'all can see it. It's a pretty nice car. So this haul, I would call it successful. So overall, we did pretty decent for a haul that, we didn't even see technically in person. Like alhamdulillah, everything came out, decent, nothing too major. And so that's what we're going on now. We've ordered the parts for the F-150, the two vacuum lines and everything. And the Accord's getting the window regulator. And besides that, there's nothing major. Overall, I guess that's just like a day at the dealership. That's what it's like, sometimes we get shipments of cars. We got to go check them out immediately, see what they need, and, try to get them ready for sale as soon as possible. But yeah, overall, if you guys enjoy these type of videos, I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked, comment, subscribed, do all that. It makes it, it kind of makes my day and it helps my channel grow. So thank you guys. I'll see y'all next time.